screen ka natin yung sinasabi ng ating guide.
We could shop for 5 hours. 5 hours po yung ating island hopping. And we have a 4 destination. We have a 4 destination. But everyone, I would like to inform to all of you, before we leave at Station 1, the Philippine Coast Guard advised our island hopping for today is only point to point. No more Crystal Cove, no more Foca Beach because of the bad weather. Okay? So the Philippine Coast Guard advised, bawal pupuntahan yung Crystal Cove and then yung Foca Beach Island din. Po, kasi masyado po malakas yung hangin and yung alon po. Okay? Alright, so now let's go to our first destination. Our first destination is Balingay Beach. So Balingay Beach, our activities there, you can swimming, picture taking, and crystal kayak. So we can explain there for 40 minutes. Alright, so after 40 minutes, let's proceed to our second destination. Our second destination is our snorkeling area. In our snorkeling area, we have a free goggles that is provided of our company. But in the area, guys, if you want to go down, if you want to go swimming or snorkeling, we have a snorkeling fee, 100 peso per one person. Alright, so after snorkeling, let's proceed to our third destination. Our third destination is our lunch. Yung lunch po natin is Fort of Mainland, Fort of Katiglan, Balay, Aklan. So after lunch, let's try to go at Crystal Cove Island. Makikita po natin mamaya pagkatapos po natin mag-lunch kung gaano po kalakas yung alon doon sa Crystal Cove Island. So pag hindi po guys, I think let's do snorkeling again. We have a 2 times snorkeling pag wala po Crystal Cove Island. Okay, so we finish our island hopping guys, maybe 2 or 3 p.m. Matatapos po yung ating island hopping. Okay, so may mga tanong po ba tayo guys? Do you have something question?